YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. We in the building. T-Gang is here, official. So, I haven't been able to record on the Green Monster, but we're getting ready to get into it right after the intro. So as you just seen, the image I'm getting ready to put on that polyester shirt is the Waymaker. And if you like lions, you can probably Google it and see it. This is for a customer. I'm stuttering over words, y'all. Get a little camera shy sometimes. But I'm putting on a 100% polyester shirt that I ordered off of eBay to try to see how the variances come out with the color. I've been using the 65-35% George shirts. So the color's been popping, and I love those shirts personally, but I want to try it out with 100% polyester to see the best results. So basically what I'm doing is trimming up the edges so I can put this onto the shirt. I don't like to have excess sublimation paper because sometimes it carries additional ink and it can put an additional mark onto the shirt that your customer will not be happy about. And this is a swing away unit. Thanks to my friends at Signwarehouse, I appreciate you. I'm just trying to move a little bit quickly as sublimation is not a wait around game. I'm fixing some more hot tape to it and cutting a piece of parch paper, or butcher paper. I'm going to cover the image. There's also butcher paper on the bottom of the shirt and in between the layers. Well, let's put this Teflon sheet on since this is a learning curve and this is my first time pressing on 100% polyester. I'm always worried about yellowing, so I try to cover all of the surfaces that's not getting pressed too with a parchment paper or Teflon sheet. And press. Pressure's a little bit firm. I should loosen it a little bit, but it's a learning curve. Hey, I make the mistake so you don't have to. If you just watch my videos, you can possibly prevent a mistake from happening. Steams are rolling. Don't see the yellowing. You see where I stamped it, maybe because pressure is too firm. Let's move this so it doesn't ghost. Oh yeah, that came out crisp. Take her over here. So I can see a little bit of runs through the image, but ultimately it looks pretty good. And then I can see a little bit of lines on this side. Wonder if that's from pressing. See right here, get a close-up of this. See how you can see the two different sides? I'll remove this butcher paper, but you can clearly see where one side was stamped. I believe it's the way that I put it on there. But yeah, here's the final version of the shirt. So if you like this and would like to see more, go to my channel, like, comment, subscribe, even if you don't like the video, or if there's something I could explain a little bit more better. Until the next one, I'm out.